How to buy coins in eFootball. In this video, I'll show you how you can purchase or buy coins on your eFootball app or account. It's very simple. So of course, open up eFootball application and make sure that you're logged in. Make your as well that you're currently using the latest version of the app. So from your home dashboard, you should be able to see shop option right side of home. Just simply tap on that. Once you're here, of course, choose on eFootball coins. Now, this is going to be your coins selection. Unfortunately, you will not be able to manually purchase a specific coins that you want. So you just need to choose on whatever points available on the shop, like 260, 840, 1000, and 630. And as you can see below the actual price, you should be able to see a highlighted orange message that says remaining one, um, meaning you can only purchase one time for that specific coin. If you tap on that, you will automatically be redirected into your payment method. So just make sure that you have set up your payment method right here so that you can one-tap buy. And that's it. That's how you buy coins and eFootball.